Geometric series are one of the easier series to identify. Typically, they're in the multiple choice section of the AP test. So let's get started. They are easily identifiable because they typically follow this format, AR to the power of n. The series would diverge if the absolute value of r is greater than or equal to 1. The series would converge on the other end if the absolute value of r is between 0 and 1. You can find the sum of this series by using this equation, a over 1 minus r. Now let's look at a couple examples. The first question is asking for the r as 3/2 to the power of n. Now we can easily identify that that's r according to the equation, and we know that 3/2 is greater than or equal to 1, therefore this series diverges. Since we know that this series diverges, we can't find the sum. Let's move on to another problem. Let's look at a real-world problem of geometric series. Suppose that you were given $1. You were told that you have to give half of what you got to the next person. Every person was told the same thing. If there were infinite amount of people, how much money does every person combined have? So we know that the first person has $1. The next person has $1/2. The person next to that has 1/4. So each term is divided by half. We're supposed to find the amount of money they have combined. So we're supposed to add all of these terms until infinity. So we can use this to write an equation. So we can do 1/2 to the power of n. And we know that the n should be 0 because when n is equal to 0, the first term, which is 1. Now by using this, we can actually write a summation notation. This should be 1/2 to the power of n. It starts at n equals 0 to infinity. After finding the summation notation, we can approach this problem just like any other geometric series problem. So we know that the r is equal to 1/2, which is less than 1. That means this series converges. After that, we have to find the sum because it's asking for the sum. So we know the equation is ace of 1, 1 minus r. The ace of 1 should be 1/2 to the power of 0. 1/2 to the power of 0 is 1 over 1 minus 1/2, which is 1/2. 1 over 1/2 is 2. And that's the amount of money every person combined have.